Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's your girl Queen Lika. I am back again with another video. Okay. So guys, today what I'm doing is I am actually heading into town. I want to renew my passport. So I have a trip coming up, and then I didn't know that my passport was almost expiring. And then I always use my traveling document, a traveling document whenever I'm going to these neighboring countries. But we are here, man. So I'm gonna show you what you go through actually when you are about to renew your passport. I know I won't be allowed to film in the passport offices, but I'm going to take a fresh passport size photo, so I have to do this here. Because I've looked and searched and looked and searched. I haven't found any passport size photos that I took without hair. But I'm hoping my sister has one, cause she used to keep some of my stuff. So I just called her to check. So once she finds, I'm gonna go to her. But right now, I'm just going to the passport side, to the passport office. I get the forms. I go make a payment at the bank, and then we see how much it's gonna cost and how much it's gonna take for it to come out. So let's keep our fingers crossed. We're gonna get it within maybe 5 working days. But yeah, so I'm actually on Independence Road driving into town. So let's go. So here I was waiting on the queue. I already grabbed my application form, filled them in, and then I was told I have to deposit the money through Indo Zambia Bank. So I was just resting a bit. And here I was still waiting. This was after an hour or two because I found a very long queue. And then I just decided, oh, let me just capture people and also let me show you how the traffic is in town. Today is a Friday, it's month end, and this is lunchtime. Everyone is in town. I don't know where they're going, but yeah. So I'm still outside waiting to deposit the money. Guys, so this is 1 p.m. and guys, I am super tired. I'm hungry. I was running the whole morning. Ish, guys, this I feel like if you are traveling in a month's time or maybe before a month, you really have to start doing your passport, because this process is just so. I'm in traffic, so I'm giving people a chance. So this process, guys, the process is just weird. Like it's super weird. When I say super weird, it's super weird. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, like if you are really traveling and you need to get your passport as soon as possible, you really have to try, like you have, or maybe let me say this, like when your passport is almost expiring, you really have to start maybe 8 months before it expires. Just go apply, then just wait, because I found people there crying saying they applied in February, and this is July. Like this is the last week of July. Like people were crying saying they applied a long time ago and up to now they haven't gotten their passports. I'm like, oh my god. So how about me, who wants to travel after next week? Is this even going to work out? Like I don't know. So I've been in town for like the whole morning. This is when I'm going back for work. Hey, I thought maybe I'm gonna be here for like 30 minutes and all that. But the process at the bank, also Indo Zambia Bank, is just the worst bank. It's just the worst. There were just two people on a thing, on a till. Like there were only two tellers that were working. But the other one was like, I don't, as if she doesn't want to work. I'm like, guys, it's not like we come here for in Zambia, the attitude in Zambia is just worse. This is the traffic that's in town, guys. There's even, so as you leave town, this is Church Road. There's a post office there, but there's traffic also. Like it's busy.
It's so busy. Look at this, guys. Ha, it's bad. There is Central Police. That's the Lusaka police headquarters, is it? No, it's not. It's just a Central Police station. Guys, there's traffic, and then hunger and traffic, and no one is selling anything. I'm super hungry, guys. Super hungry. But anyway, so these guys told me that whether you pay your receipt, so I'm actually on Church Road now. So anyway, guys, I applied today on the 20 what? 29th. Today is actually the 29th, but I put yesterday's date. That's being a crook. That's what I did. And then we have a receipt. So I paid 320 for the passport. That's the only money you pay anyway. But now the process is just I don't know. Oh, so they said they're gonna give me another passport number. I like why? Hmm? So they gave us that receipt, and then we paid through Indo, and Indo is just, I don't know how many of you guys bank with Indo. Ish. Or maybe it's just that stem Indo, because like everyone, whoever was getting passports today, they were told to go deposit the money in an account, like through Indo. And there was a queue. Like there was a queue. Like I was guys, I went on a queue around, what time did I go? I went to the queue at about, because I got the forms, and then I had to go get the passport size photo from my sister. So like I drove out of town, came back into town, and then got forms. No, I got forms first. And forms are free. So I filled them in, and then I saw that there was a passport. I needed 2 passports. So I submitted 2 different passports. I don't know if this thing is gonna work out anyway. So I submitted like 2 different passports, okay? Like 2 different passports. So ish. But anyway, that woman said so long it's me. But it was me. I swear it was me. It's me. On those passports, I swear. My lips are so crooked. Like I'm so hungry, guys. I didn't eat today. So anyway, that's that. And then you need your passport, you need to photocopy your NRC, and then the passport, like where there are your details in the last page, and then what else did I do? I also that, and then you need you really need to fill in your parents' details, like your parents' details. Like that one, I did not fill in I know my dad's NRC number, but I don't know my mom's. So they told me it's okay, I can just leave it open. And then the other thing that I did was, what else did I do? What else did I do? What else did they want? Uh, they also wanted what is it that they wanted? Or the 320s, or the deposit slip. So after you deposit the money, so they need your deposit slip, 2 passport size photos, and then your NRC copy, the passport copy, and you have to go with your original passport if you already have, and go with the original NRC. Like you also have to go with original NRC, like your original NRC, so they can just counter check things there. And yeah, just that. And then you submit, and then they tell you have to wait. And oh, the other thing that I wanted to say was, now they stopped doing the express thing. So you, like, because they are saying that they don't have material for making passports. So I don't know why they're still collecting people's forms, and then collecting money also. Because if there's nothing, I think they should just tell people to say, you know what, we'll give you, like, we'll call you when the passport is, when the materials in. So just leave your details like that, you know. Not like this. There's a man. I really felt bad, guys. Like there's this man that's supposed to go for school, and then he's like, "Do you know that I was supposed to be in class?" Or like he applied last year, and then he was accepted. So he was supposed to report for school in January, but he didn't go because his passport was not yet out. Like he applied last year, and then this year again he changed to June. Up to now, he has not gotten his passport. And who am I? Like who am I to get my passport in a week time? Anyway, I don't know. And then so there are actually a lot of people outside the passport office that really want to help you, but I feel like they just eat your money because they can't tell you to say no. They'll have your passport within 5 days or within two days, because if you do the right procedure anyway, I don't know anything, but I think if you do the right procedure, you're also entitled to go claim, you know. You can go there, you tell people to say, but why did you tell me to pay? Why did you do this? Why did you do that? Now if you just go through someone, an agent who's helping you to get those, I don't think you're gonna, you know. hmm, I don't think that's even possible. Like who are you? Like who are you to come here? Because you're not the one that submitted these things. So I'm so happy that I did this for the first time, and I'm just hoping for the best. So they said I check with them on Friday if they're not gonna call me on Thursday. Yeah. But whoever was outside just laughed when I was telling them to say, they said I should come and check on Friday. Everyone was like, so I know maybe that's a lie. But anyway, let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm gonna update you guys on what's gonna be next. But yeah, talking about being brave, I also renewed my driver's license on my own because mostly my brother is the one that used to do that for me. But now I'm a grown up. I have to start doing these things on my own. So I lost my NRC some 2 years ago, and I went to the what do you say that, to the, we call it the BOMA here, like it's a BOMA where you get your NRC from. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, it's still the NRC, National Registration Card office. I went there and they sent me back. So like I learned to be brave. Like they sent me back because I did not fill in papers nicely, and then they also sent me back because I didn't have changed money. Like for the NRC, I think you have to pay. Is it 3 kwacha 20 ngwe, something like that? So I gave them 20 kwacha, and they were like, "Where are we going to get change?" So they sent me back. I had to go look for a 5 kwacha, and then I didn't get my change because Boma Iribe change. Like the government doesn't have change. When you take a 5 kwacha, yeah. So I think I'm being brave. What do you guys think? Like I'm very brave, right? Like I think I am brave. So anyway, I'm just hoping for the best that this passport is gonna come out anytime soon. Otherwise, we are freaking stuck. We're gonna be stuck forever and ever. Amen. So that is all I wanted to tell you guys today. And just if there's anyone who works for the passport office, please, just make sure that my passport is out this week or next week. The week for the 5th of August, like the first week of August. I'm asking, please. Anyway, guys, so that's all I wanted to share with you. So remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends so that you can, I think I should do another video where I talk about how you can get a passport, right? Oh, I'm gonna put a title just here, that how you get a passport in Zambia. So now I'm heading to work. I know I'm gonna find a lot of things on my desk, like when I say a lot. So yeah, so be safe, guys. Remember, COVID is still there, AIDS is real. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Peace and love. I'm out.